Got the robot slave working. I'm doing some videos. Okay. I hope you can hear me way over there. I'm gonna be reviewing this. Yesbao, I guess it's called. Mini electric chainsaw. It's a looks like it's a 6-inch, I think it said. Yeah, 6-inch portable mini electric chainsaw. Now I have a bigger size electric one you plug up to cut up wood that I've used, but I wanted a smaller one to be able to. I'm trying to cut up this pile into little manageable sizes so we can have for the chimney or anything cooking. So it comes with this cool case though. Let me show you. Look at that. I just slipped this out. It was like this, and it's super good. I bought this on Amazon. Okay, it has latches that go like this. Pretty sturdy. Not cheap at all. Okay, and when you open it up, this is what you get. Okay. Now the battery's right there. Okay, it kind of snaps in place. This kind of hovers over the batteries because that cylindrical thing kind of pops in there, pushes it up a bit. I tried charging this a while back. It was blinking red, then it just stayed red. The directions say it's just turned green, but a lot of times I see that directions are not very accurate, right? They're not very accurate. Maybe it's supposed to just stop blinking in its charge. So it's a very thin battery, 21 volt max, 1.8 amp lithium. That's what it says. Okay. Let me see if it works just like this. Okay. Very lightweight. Let's see if it works. Does not. It probably needs to charge more till it turns green. Okay. Now I noticed too, there's a spot for oil. Okay. And a primer. Interesting thing is, the directions didn't say anything about this. So it probably needs chain oil. I think I have some somewhere. I'm gonna have to look around, but those batteries are definitely gonna have to charge more though. So we'll come back out here later.